What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to customize your pets and your own character in Adopt Me. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. While playing Adopt Me on PC or your mobile device, click on the dress up icon on the right side of your screen. On the left hand side, you can preview your saved presets for the parent, baby and pet, depending on which you have selected. Click on the gear icon next to the outfit name if you wish to rename or delete it. On the bottom right, switch to your pets. This will show your currently selected pet. You have the option to rename it from here, or go through the different clothing categories on the right hand side and select a new outfit for your pet. After selecting a new item, it will show up on the bottom left. This will allow you to easily deselect the same item without having to look for it again. Some items will cost you in-game currency, and it will be automatically subtracted from your balance. After customizing your pets and your own character, click on the red X icon on the top left to leave the customization menu after saving your outfit. In case you have any further issues or problems following this tutorial, then I suggest following my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.